Welcome to the latest edition of Gene and Cell Therapy Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. The FDA has accepted the BLA resubmission for UX111, an AAV9 gene therapy from Ultragenyx for Sanfilippo syndrome type A, with a PDUFA date set for September 2026. Long-term follow-up data suggest durable efficacy and an acceptable safety profile. This milestone could influence prescriber decisions and payer evaluations as the therapy moves closer to potential approval. Therapeutics received RMAT designation for RTx-015, an optogenetic therapy for retinitis pigmentosa. The therapy aims to restore visual function by reprogramming retinal cells, with clinical endpoints still evolving. This designation highlights continued investment in novel modalities within ophthalmology. The FDA has extended the review timeline for Orca-T from Orca Bio following the submission of additional CMC data. Importantly, no efficacy concerns were raised. The therapy previously demonstrated improved outcomes compared to transplant controls in Phase 3, but manufacturing considerations remain a key regulatory factor. Biotherapeutics received Fast Track designation for A2B543, a logic-gated CAR-T therapy enhanced with an interleukin-12 booster for solid tumors. The therapy is currently under investigation in the Everest-2 trial, reflecting ongoing efforts to improve targeting and reduce toxicity in CAR-T approaches for solid tumors. The FDA issued draft guidance on genome editing, focusing on next-generation sequencing methods to assess off-target effects and genome integrity. This applies to both ex vivo and in vivo therapies across development stages and may shape future regulatory expectations and study designs. Grace Science received RMAT designation for GS100, an AAV9 gene therapy for NGLY1 deficiency. Early clinical data indicate improvements in motor and cognitive function in an ongoing open-label study, supporting continued development in this ultra-rare indication. Wugen and WashU received Breakthrough Therapy designation for WU-CART-007, an allogeneic CAR-T therapy targeting aggressive T-cell cancers. Early phase data showed high response rates and potential use as a bridge to transplant, highlighting the promise of off-the-shelf cell therapies. MeiraGTx announced upcoming 3-year follow-up data for its AAVHAQP1 gene therapy in xerostomia. The Phase 1 Aqua-X study includes patient-reported outcomes and salivary flow measures, with results expected to provide insight into long-term durability. Stay ahead in gene and cell therapy research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.